So in this video we will know how to again create a new emulator. Then we will know how to run the application in the emulator. And also we will know how the activity lifecycle looks like. Right, so first let's start with creating a new emulator. You can click on here, no devices it is showing as of now, as we have not created any emulator. Now we will click on device manager. This now in the virtual tab we will click on create device. Right, so now we can select any of them. I will choose Pixel 6 Pro. Yeah, so you get a system image. Now you have to download. You can decide your API level. We can use R as of now 30, which has API level 30. So it will started downloading. It will take some time to get downloaded. So we need to wait for it to get downloaded. So the R file has downloaded for me, and I will click on next to continue. I don't think there is a need to change the name. If you want, you can. Then we don't need to change anything. I will keep the startup orientation as portrait, the emulated performance, graphics, and I will keep it as it is. Everything I am keeping as it is. You can change here as you like, but I will keep it as it is. And I will click on finish. We will have a new emulator created. And here we have the new emulator. Now if I click on this button, this run button, it will execute it. And here we have the emulator window. First you can see this background task running, Gradle build running. When this will be completed, we will have a install task be running, and after that will be completed, we will see the emulator running here, right? So you can wait for a while. So you can see this install task is running. It is still taking some time. It has taken a lot of time as of now, but it's fine. And here you can see this. Here you can see it is written Java. And this is what I had to show you, how the application must be run. And now since we have run our application, we can see the activity lifecycle to understand how the activity lifecycle is. So first of all, the activity is launched, which happens just right now. Then it will run the onCreate method, which means the view and all will be loaded. Then it will start, it will execute the onStart method. Then it will execute the onResume method. Then activity will be running. If another activity comes into the foreground, then it will run onPause. If the activity is no longer visible at all, then it will execute onStop. If the activity is finished or destroyed by the system, then it will run onDestroy. In case if the user navigates to the activity after onStop, then it will run on restart, and then it will get onStart again, and then again this will be executed. If onPause method is executed, then if the user returns to the activity, then it will run the onResume from this method, and this is how it will work, right? So this is how the activity lifecycle looks like. We can see what happens because we need to understand it properly. So for this we will type system.out.println on create, and then we will do this for every method, on start, on stop also. And this we have here, we will write system.out. Basically this function will write the message we are writing in this string. This message will be displayed in this log card. I mean this run log card. And we will be able to know what is running when. You can see this on stop method. Then we have on resume method. It will take some time, but it is very important for us to understand how this activity lifecycle exactly works, so we can do it quickly. First, this is for the on pause method. Then we will write for on destroy. This is a destroy method. And finally, we can have the on restart method. System not out or on restart method. Right. So we have completed this basic step. It is showing some error. There is no error. It may be showed for a while. So we can first close these useless tabs as of now. We don't need them at all. Yeah, so now we can see this. You can check. We wrote for on create, on start, on resume, on pause, on stop, on destroy, and on restart. So we have defined for every method executed. Sometimes for on destroy it might not be executed because the application on itself is destroyed, so it might not display this method, it might not run this method. In some cases, not every time, but yeah, in some cases it does not. So as of now, we can just click on this run and it will do it all for us. The code will rerun now. The Digitalogy build is running. Soon it will start installation. And here it is starting. And here we have the application. You can see now, yeah, this is also loaded. You can just go about to see. Yeah, here you can see this on create method, on start method, and on resume methods have been executed, right? So we can click on this home button, then we can see what happens. You can see here on pause and on stop method are running. And if I could do it like this, oh sorry, yeah, you can see this also. As of now, on restart method and on start method and on resume method all have run. Now we will destroy the application, and here we have on pause method, on stop method, and on destroy method. We have all the methods running. So I hope you have understood how the activity life cycle is, and this can be helpful in many projects, and we will see that in the future. This is what I had to show you in this video. Thanks for watching.